Hello, it's Gem Games here again. Today we are going to continue with the weapon change or switch system. So yeah, let's get started. First, let's go to the PP first person character, like this. And now, actually, we can change this variable name to is reloading or changing, like this. Okay, and now we have to go to switch weapon slot. And we can actually add here a get the is reloading changing, and we have to get it and not boolean. And if we are not reloading or changing, then we can do this. Okay, and now if we can do it, then we have to set this to true. Okay, like this. Compile and save. And now we can actually start to add those animations. Okay, let's go to the event graph. Let's find some space, like from here. And now we have to add a or create a custom event. Okay. And now we will call it equip or something like that. Okay. Now we have to create a timeline. Let's call it equip anim timeline, like this, and let's connect it to play from start. Now let's open it. Let's add a flow track and length 1. Oh, why doesn't it change it? Length should be 1, like this. Okay, now let's add a key to a 0 and 0. Oh, it didn't change. And now second key to 1 and 1, like this. Now let's change this to auto, so it's smoother. Okay, compile save, and let's close this, and actually we can close that also. Now we have to get the weapon mesh and set relative transform, like this, and connect it to update. And now let's move the weapon mesh reference there. Let's split this. New. Let's split this transform. And now we want to. And now we want to lerp from the X. Lerp. And let's connect this new track to alpha. And actually let's move this a little bit further away. And now we have to get the weapon data rotation and split it. And let's connect the Y there and set there also, like this. And now we want to lerp this from -90 to 0, or yep, do that. And oh, I just remembered one thing. We have to go to the set weapon slot again one more time. Set switch weapon slot. Sorry, to here. Now we want to add here a few things, which should be on ADS and stop firing, like this. Okay, now I think it has all that it needs. Okay, now we can close that and that again. And now we have to lerp from the, let's split that. We have to lerp from here also lerp. And we want to connect the alpha also there. And we need the weapon placement, weapon. Oh, we haven't added it to a set weapons. We have to add that weapon placement. Oh, sorry, we have to promote that to a variable. This. Compile and save. Now let's go back here. I will move this to here, so they are like close. And now we have to get the weapon data placement. Get weapon data placement and split it. And now we want to connect Y to Y and X to X. And I want to copy this one more time. And now I want to get the set value and connect it to the B and minus connect it to the A. Actually, we can move this here so we can see better what we are doing. Like this, and now I will make it minus 50 or something like that. And okay, now we have to create a new custom event again, and we should call it unequip like this, and we will need to reverse from end like this. Okay. And I think we need to change this to 90, not minus 90. Now I added some key points to here. You don't have to do this. I just want to check if it works. If I press 6, it goes down, and 5, it goes up. Okay, it works somehow. Now I can remove both these. And now I want to, after this, I want to add a branch. Or actually, we can get from here and switch on each timeline direction, and let's connect it to the finished like this. And yeah, so yeah, now we actually have to go to here to a switch weapon slot, and we can actually we have to actually, I forgot to do this, but yes, we have to remove this and promote this to a variable. Let's call it new weapon slot number or something like that. I will actually fix this. Okay, new weapon slot number, and now let's oh, we have to actually remove this, and we have to call unequip from here. Now we have to go back to the event graph, and if it's unequipping, it's going backwards. And if it's going backwards, it should we should set a weapon slot like this. set weapon slot, and now we have to get the new weapon slot number. Okay, and now we have to call the equip like this. Okay. Yep. And to here we have to actually only thing we have to do is set this like false. Okay, now let's check if it works. So if I change to slot 2, okay. Now one thing we have to do, we have to find our reloading. It should be here. And before we do anything, we want to oh, we already have that there, so sorry. We have to open the can reload function, and now we have to add a pin to here and check if it's reloading. Not boolean, no, not boolean, like this, and add it to here. So now if we reload, we cannot reload many times, and if we are reloading, we cannot change weapons. Okay. So okay, everything should be working, I think. One thing we can actually do, we can go to the weapon struct and add a no, we don't actually want to do this. Sorry about that. We don't want to do that. We just oh, we want to go to the to here, start, switch weapon to slot, and we want to add one more thing here. Here to the start, and it is we have to get the equip timeline like this. Set play rate. Okay, and now we can set the play rate. And actually I will just set the play rate 1.5, but we just needed to add this so we can later, when we add some perks like something that allows you to change weapons faster, so we can just add here a select, and with boolean if the perk is like on, or if you have the perk, then it can play the switching animation faster. So now it is like this, and if I change this to, for example, 5, it will be like super fast, you know? Okay, I think this is all for this video, and or actually I want to do one more thing. Here I want to move the or change the this value a little bit lower, like 40. Let's check how it looks now. Oh, what did I do? Oh, only 40, like this. Okay, yeah, I think this is all for this video. If you learned something new, please subscribe if you want. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.